Hello everyone, my name is Ork and I'm planning to show you a little animation trick that contains a pose morph tag which can explode things. Yeah, we will destroy something, and it will be this washing machine. To find that washing machine, you have to have the preset files, which can be which you can download it from Maxon's site, or maybe you can click on the help, then find the check for updates button. You can do the same thing here. Then let's go into the visualize, then 3D folders, appliance, and just double click on the washing machine. It's in this scene now. Maybe we can close the lid for this tutorial. Let's find the lid. I think it's it's this one. It's showing -20. Let's make it 0, and yeah, it's closed now. Beautiful. Let's find a little we have a little bug, actually not bug, just a little deformer, and explosion FX deformer, which can be found by using this little eye thing. It's inside here. Just double click on it, then follow the red stones, no, not stones, just the objects, by paint it yellow. Yeah, they are yellow or orange, I don't know. Okay, let's add our pose morph over this little null which named as washing machine. We can find our pose morph tag in this character tag menu. Yeah, it's here. Then let's do our trick. Just first click on the hierarchy, then go over the position. It will jump to the tag tab, which you can see here. But if you wish, or if you're planning to do something else, just maybe scale or rotation or points, which is actually the vertex animation, point level animation. It can be recorded here. Let's go into the tag tab again, and first check the mode settings, which is in edit mode right now, and pose 0 is selected. Then let's start the positioning. For the positioning, first let's speed up the process, so skip the boring part faster. It's easy to move things, but let's make it better with place them into different coordinates, and you can do as many parts as you can find, like you can see in this. Funny actually. And it's almost finished. Yeah, it's all done. Let's close the folders here, then go into the Pose Morph tag. But for this part, let's go into the Animate Mode. To animate the things, we have to play this little slider. Actually, in edit mode you can add more poses and you can have more sliders here. And after that we can use a little user data with Xpresso support. I'm adding just a float slider here to look good. Actually, I like the slider because it's looking more convenient. I'm checking the step and minimum maximum values, just tweaking the default value here to make sure it starts where I want. Rename it to Explode, but I forgot to add a spline user data here because I'm planning to do the trick with ease and ease out. Let's find the spline and add some points to start as like this. Yeah, it's a little slope, just a linear ease. Yeah, after that I'm adding my Xpresso tag and Xpresso window popped. So yeah, first drag the null and after that my Pose Morph here. Red is looking to blue, it's looking good, but in between I'm going to add a range mapper to use my spline because it's the actual trick. It's doing the hard work here. My range mapper is here, just waiting for me. Of course I have to connect the nodes, yeah, explode into my range mapper's input. Then I am adding my spline user data into the red part because it's the output. Then connect it with the spline of range mapper. Then the range mapper's output will go into the Pose Morph, which is an output because it's red, and the blues are input. I'm using the drag and drop option here because it's hard to find from the list. Yeah, it's named at position 0 strength. Oh, awesome. It's already looking good. Okay, I'll just play the values to make the fun stuff. And just for the check, okay, range mapper is looking good. All values are fine. And the spline, okay, I'm adding my keyframes, of course. Let's find the 50th frame. It's in here. And add another keyframe right after change the explode value. Okay, looking great. Just for the check, yeah, there will be an extreme value here because it's going over max, as you can see. A little bump there, which is not looking good actually, but we have to check it anyway. Yeah, that bumps works awesome. Not all bumps are awesome, but this bump is working. And just tweak the values, like as you can see. All done. Thank you for watching me. Let's see in another tutorial. Bye bye.